who you're used to. And your mother always tells us that when you're doing selection, until you come back from Paris, you see that we do everything possible here. That the government.
That is a men's team.
Most of the talking about road racing. Thank you very much.
Conversation going on is still within this room.
Preparations are in place at the moment, and that is why we are here to now coordinate that program so that we can hand over as Athletics Kenya, the team of marathoners, to National Olympic Committee of Kenya, so that they can now coordinate the other activities of details that are required in terms of the requirements of Olympics.
We will be looking forward to see to it that as National Olympic Committee that we provide every support that these athletes want so that they can be able to concentrate in their preparation.
Thank you to Athletics Kenya for giving us another flight to Paris, and they have handed over us to National Olympic Committee. So we are excited, we are happy to represent the country, to wear the flag again, and we actually practice the virtue of patriotism.